everyone. Today me, Riya Pujara, along with
Miss Srisha,
Nitya Shah,
Parth Lambat,
Moksha Prajapati,
and Shreyash Jadhav.
the members of Ahani Group Team C, the Red Recyclops, have gathered here for the purpose of Ahani project. The topic that we have chosen is reduce, reuse and recycle plastic waste. Only we humans make waste that nature can digest. Plastic waste is the biggest threat for all types of living organisms as well as the environment.
Almost all of us use the plastic in our daily life, but we discard them in an inappropriate manner. We have identified the problem of plastic waste. The plastic waste affects the living beings, from the small microscopic organisms to the predators as well as humans.
Major chemicals in plastic are highly toxic and pose a threat to the living organisms on the earth. We have observed in our surroundings that animals like dog, cow, etc. are gathered near the heaps of plastic. This is a big danger for living organisms as well as for our surroundings.
as a solution, we, the members of our Red Recycler group from Ahani, have decided to collect plastic from our surroundings and spread awareness. We are going to submit this plastic to a recycling company named Rhino Machines, which converts the plastic waste into bricks.
say no to plastics. Plastic waste can also be reduced by using other environment-friendly products. The usage of plastic straws, disposable plastic cups can be reduced by using paper, metal straw and cups, which is less harmful and environment free.
Instead of throwing plastic just like that, we can use plastic and reuse plastic now and then. Say no to plastic. Be a part of solution, not the part of pollution. Also, we are going to present songs, poems, and also a skit.
Thank you.
Someone's house tomorrow. Hello everyone, today we the members of Ahani Group have gathered here together for the purpose of Ahani project. We have arrived at the company Rhino Machines for our main activity, which is submitting the plastic that we have been collecting. Rhino Machines is a company in Gujarat, Anand, which converts the plastic waste as well as the foundry dust, which is basically the burnt sand, into bricks.
Materials from which the plastic are made are highly toxic in nature. They pose a severe threat to the environment, and so we have arrived here.
Plastic is recycled to make bricks or pavement blocks for the construction of buildings. Rhino Machines is a company in Anand, Gujarat, has the same idea and has begun the process in the factories.
Plastic consists of chemicals which is dangerous for all lives. Recycling is important as it solves the major problem of plastic waste. This process is done in factories like Rhino Machines in Gujarat, Anand, where we have arrived.
First in this process, plastic is collected. Then plastic is cut into small pieces and mixed with foundry dust. Then it is heated and melted.
Then the plastic is put in a big vessel where it is given a shape of a brick. Then it is cooled at a very high temperature, and then the brick is made. This is how we can use plastic and save environment.
Thank you.
हटा दो, अब हटा दो, हटा दो, हटा दो।
हटा दो, नहीं है जो फायदे में जो नहीं रखता मायने, अभी प्लास्टिक का कचरा हटा दो।
हटा दो, हटा दो, हटा दो, हटा दो, हटा दो, हटा दो, नहीं है जो फायदे में जो नहीं रखता मायने, अभी प्लास्टिक का कचरा हटा दो। ओ प्लास्टिक जब आता है तो क्या प्रदूषण फैलाता है, फिर क्या रोगी बनाता है। हटा दो, हटा दो, हटा दो,
इस
कदर प्लास्टिक को मत फेंको तुम, रहने दो, रहने दो, रहने दो, प्लास्टिक को रिसाइकल करो तुम,
रिसाइकलिंग करो, रहने दो,
रहने दो, रहने दो, अब रिसाइकल, रिसाइकल, रिसाइकल करो, नहीं है जो फायदे में जो नहीं लगता मायने, अभी प्लास्टिक का कचरा हटा दो।
जो छूटे ना हो हटा दो, जो हटे ना हो छोड़ दो, कि प्लास्टिक हानिकारक नहीं है, सोच तुम अब छोड़ दो, कि प्लास्टिक की कहानी है,
फायदा नहीं हानि है, यही बताने आई हमारी प्रमाहानी है।
छोड़ दो ये कचरा मरोड़ दो ये खतरा,
छोड़ दो ये कचरा मरोड़ दो ये
खतरा, हटा दो,
हटा दो,
हटा दो,
हटा दो,
हटा दो,
हटा दो,
हटा दो, हटा दो,
नहीं है जो फायदे में जो नहीं लगता मायने, प्लास्टिक का कचरा हटा दो, हटा दो, अब